Hey, what's up, y'all? How you doing today? Doing some show and tell time with some machines that ain't mine, just parked on our property temporarily. Of course I can't quite tell where the fence. Yeah, I can still see where our line is, but anyway, my dad used to bush hog all this, but he's let it go because the air quote was too rough. So they pulled out the Hoosier Daddy bush hog slash stump grinder, and you can see what this thing can do, chewing up roots and stuff. But I think that's pretty sure those are carbide cutters and powered by hydraulics, of course. But sure did work on this. We had all kinds of thorn bushes galore just growing above your head and stuff. But anyway, good old diesel Bobcat by John Deere. Wonder who, somebody knocked it off. But anyway, I don't know what this big guard is for. It looks like that would be able to grab brush or something, but just looking at it, it's just kind of, there's no hydraulic ram attached directly to it. So I don't know what that's just a safety guard or if it's for grabbing brush or something. I don't know. It is diesel powered, but anyway. I'm going to make another clip for the Hoosier Daddy up there. This was just a teaser. Word to your mother.